Fertilizer, a substance used to help plants grow.
Farmers use fertilizer to grow crops. Use fertilizer, organic fertilizer, apply fertilizer.
Biography, a book about someone's life.
He wrote a biography of the president. Write a biography. Famous biography. Biographical book.
Dietary, related to food and diet.
She follows a dietary plan. Dietary needs. Dietary habits. Dietary restrictions.
Proponent, a person who supports an idea or plan.
She is a strong proponent of education. Strong proponent, key proponent, leading proponent.
Rectangle, a shape with 4 right angles.
Draw a rectangle on the paper. Draw a rectangle. Rectangular shape. Perfect rectangle.
Extensive, large in size or amount.
They conducted extensive research. Extensive research. Extensive experience. Extensive damage.
Genetic, related to genes.
This disease is genetic. Genetic disorder. Genetic research. Genetic factors.
Unconscious, not awake or aware.
He was unconscious after the accident. Fall unconscious. Remain unconscious. Temporarily unconscious.
Distortion, a change that makes something unclear or false.
The image showed some distortion. Image distortion. Cause distortion. Audio distortion.
Flourishing, growing or developing well.
The business is flourishing. Flourishing business. Flourishing economy. Flourishing career.
Unemployment, the state of not having a job.
Unemployment is rising this year. High unemployment. Reduce unemployment. Unemployment rate.
Sibling, a brother or sister.
I have one sibling. Older sibling. Younger sibling. Sibling rivalry.
Abolish, to officially end something.
The law was abolished. Abolish a law. Abolish slavery. Abolish a system.
Gigantic, extremely large.
They built a gigantic building. Gigantic size. Gigantic building. Gigantic problem.
Motivation, the reason to do something.
He has strong motivation. Strong motivation. Lack of motivation. Motivation to succeed.
Specimen, a sample used for study.
The scientist studied the specimen. Collect a specimen. Test a specimen. Biological specimen.
Relentless, continuing without stopping.
The noise was relentless. Relentless pressure. Relentless effort. Relentless attack.
Awareness, knowledge or understanding of something.
We need to raise awareness. Raise awareness. Public awareness. Environmental awareness.
Assumption. Something that is believed without proof.
His assumption was wrong. Make an assumption. Wrong assumption. Basic assumption.
Extension. An increase in time or size.
They asked for an extension. Time extension. File an extension. Grant an extension.
Conditioner. A product used to improve hair or materials.
She uses conditioner every day. Hair conditioner. Deep conditioner. Use conditioner.
Contrary. Opposite in nature.
This idea is contrary to mine. Contrary to. On the contrary. Directly contrary.
Decompression. The process of reducing pressure.
Divers need slow decompression. Decompression process. Rapid decompression. Slow decompression.
Mixture. A combination of different things.
This drink is a mixture of fruits. Mixture of A and B. Chemical mixture. Perfect mixture.
Launch. To start or send something out. The act of starting something.
They launched a new product. Launch a product. Launch a campaign. Launch a rocket.
Provision. Supply or preparation. To provide something.
The hotel provides food provisions. Make provisions. Food provisions. Legal provisions.
Inborn. Natural from birth.
She has inborn talent. Inborn ability. Inborn talent. Inborn nature.
Pedigree. A person's family background or origin.
The dog has a strong pedigree. Family pedigree. Strong pedigree. Pedigree dog.
Amenable. Willing to agree or accept.
She is amenable to change. Amenable to change. Amenable to advice. Amenable to treatment.
Brittle. Hard but easy to break.
Glass is brittle. Brittle bones. Brittle material. Brittle texture.